Hey, good morning. Tony LaPorta here with NakedTrader.com. I wrote a weekend commentary that was, sort of based on the Monday and the Tuesday sort of trade. And obviously, in my weekend commentary on Friday afternoon, I actually sent out an email to my readers that I came up with a TLP gut trade, and this was my third gut trade of the year. And like I've told my readers, I have clients, 25-year market veterans who they have their own ideas, they have their own levels, but they just pay me a monthly fee for my gut trades. And the gut trade that I put out over the weekend was to buy the bond market. Everything I saw through the course of last week, the strong CPI and PPI numbers, and the strong stock market, and the bonds refused to sit down. And so I put out the gut trade, and obviously the bonds are up almost a full point this morning. They were up over a full point from Friday's close at 1 point last night. Then I have a goofy trade that I've looked at when I lived overseas for 12 years, lived in London and traded on life. We had a lot of holidays, let's say like Thanksgiving, for instance, where America was closed, but life was still open. And I always like to and what I noticed over those years was if you got a big move on that day off, you fade that move the next day. So what I'm saying is, I want to be a buyer this morning of the indices. I want to be a seller of the bond markets. The indices, I do believe they will open up here in 10, 12 minutes. The indices, I believe you'll see some selling on the opening, and I want to buy that break. So that's about all I have. Lots of stuff going on in the Middle East. I think this is a one-day trade, buying this stuff today, and you and I all know since March of '09, anytime you sold these indices in the hole, almost every time you've sold these indices in the hole, you lost money. So you do with your money as you please. I am going to try to buy this opening break this morning if there is a break. And I'm even thinking that the break could get a little ugly, and wait till you see the whites of their eyes, and then maybe have a few. So that's about all I have. Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. Good luck today. Cheers.